Hey everybody, Miss B here. Welcome back to the Joy of Reading Story Time. We are in for another joy titled book. Let's jump right in. Today we are reading The Little Book of Joy, written by His Holiness the Dalai Lama and Archbishop Desmond Tutu, illustrated by Rafael Lopez. Let's jump into The Little Book of Joy and see what this book is all about. One of us grew up in a little house. One of us grew up in a big house. Our houses were on opposite sides of the world. Often we were sad and lonely. Both of us wished for a friend. Sometimes the other kids wouldn't let us play, or they were very far away. We wondered if we would always be sad and lonely. But when we sat still and breathed in the quiet, we noticed something beautiful. How interesting that they are on two different sides of the world, but they're having some of the same feelings. Let's see what happens. If you just focus on the thing that is making you sad, then the sadness is all you see. But if you look around, you will see that joy is everywhere. Joy is the warm, tingly feeling of the sun tickling your toes in the morning. It's the giggly, squiggly feeling when you are doing something silly. And it's the soft, snuggly feeling of being all wrapped up, cozy in your bed at night. Even when you are caught in the rain and your joy is washed away. It's waiting at the bottom of the puddle. Even if you slam the door and your joy can't get in, it's just on the other side, waiting on a loving hug. And even if there is loud noise in the night and your joy gets scared away, it comes streaming right back with the light of the silvery moon. Joy is the bubbly, bouncy feeling of finding a good friend. And once you let joy in, like magic, your heart always has room for more. We discovered that the more joy we shared, the more joy we had. And the more joy we had, the more joy we could share. Look for the joy all around you and share it. Write it in a letter, play it on a drum, sing it to the sky. It will travel up in the air, across the ocean. Someone will find it and share it. As it spreads from person to person, the world will fill with joy. All right, so what did you guys think of The Little Book of Joy? I love how even though these two boys had two different experiences on two different sides of the world, they were able to come up with a common theme, which was joy, sharing the joy, being the joy, and to help them come out of the things that they were feeling, the loneliness, the sadness, and to turn it all into joy that they not only had for themselves, but they shared with others. Let's do our own joy hunt and do a little exploring of joy around the world and around you. That's right, it's activity time.
For our Little Book of Joy activity, you will need your Joy Around the World worksheet, a pencil, and some books for research. We are going to learn about joy around the world. Use these three main ideas to gather your information: where, what, and why. Here's a joyful celebration we researched as an example. Where? We're heading to India to learn about the colorful celebration of joy. What? Holi, or the Festival of Colors. Why? It marks the end of winter and the beginning of spring, a time of joy, togetherness, and renewal. The 2-day Festival of Colors is celebrated by throwing colorful powders and colored water at friends and family, laughing, singing, and eating yummy sweets to share love and happiness. It's a day to forgive people, make friends again, and spread love. It reminds us that being kind and good always wins over being mean. Now it's your turn to learn about different ways joy is shown and shared around the world. Happy researching!
Now it's time to say goodbye. See you later, alligator. Bye bye, dragonfly.
Take care, polar bear. Gotta go, buffalo. Good wishes, little fishes.